In this video, I will be explaining the switch statement. Switch statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Use the switch statement to select one of many blocks of code to be executed. Switch n, which is an expression. N is a single expression, most often a variable that is evaluated once. Now, the variable of the expression is then compared with the variable for each case in the structure, which is n, is then compared with case label 1 and 2. Switch n is then compared with label 1, and if the label 1 and n is the same, it will then execute the code. You can see that switch n, case label 1, code to be executed if n is equals to label 1, and break. If there is a match, the block of the code associated with this case is executed. If they match each other, the code is then executed. We use the break to prevent the code from running into the next case automatically. In this video, I'll be showing you what all that does, and when you remove the break, what it does as well. Let's continue watching. The default statement is used if no match is found. That is, if n does not match label 1, which is equals to label 1 or label 2, the default will then tell you this doesn't match anyone. So let's try this with an example. Color white. We have assigned white to color. Now, don't forget that is the n. You can see that the variable name, the variable that will be evaluated. This variable is then compared with the value of each case. The value of the first case is white. So if that n, which is now color, matches case white, it will tell you your color is white. If it matches case black, it will tell you your color is black. I hope you understand this. It is just like if else, but it is not if else. So if this color is white, it will run case white, which is echo your color is white. And if it doesn't match anyone, to tell you, which is default. When it doesn't match anyone, the default will then be the answer, which is your color is not white or black. Let's run that. Refresh this. You can see the color is white because it matches the white. Do you understand that? change the color. You can see now we don't have keys black, we don't have keys red, we only have black and white. When we refresh, your color is not white or black because it doesn't match any, which is the default. Just like the if else, else if, then else. But this is switch statement. Now you can see that now it matches black because it is black. Now let's add another case. Don't forget you have to write the case, then double quote or single quote, green and colon. And don't forget to put the break. Have you seen that now? Let's change it to green. You see, the color is green. Now, if we decide to remove the break and refresh, it's still green because we did not remove that. Now, let's change the color to white and refresh. You can see that it has automatically run the next case. So in order to avoid this, you use your break.